In this video, I will show you an easy way Empower offers you to create a link to Excel for a data-rich line chart, ensuring that your chart is always up to date while avoiding long loading times in PowerPoint. A use case for large line charts that work with many data points is the representation of a stock price. You can see an extensive table with numerous data points of a stock price in this Excel file. In Excel, I have already created a chart from this data that I already like visually. Now I want to use basically the same chart in PowerPoint. In such a case, I have the option with Empower to link the Excel chart as an image. To do this, I select the chart in Excel, navigate to the Insert tab of Excel and click on Link to New PowerPoint Object in the Empower Charts group. Now I select the option Image that is already suggested right here. Now I can define where I want to insert the image in my PowerPoint file by clicking, for example, on this placeholder. The image is inserted as a vector graphic so that the quality remains impeccable even when zooming, and the aspect ratio is not distorted when I adjust the size. You can link Excel charts, as we've done right now, Excel tables, or even simple Excel ranges as images. If the Excel data changes, the Excel chart changes automatically at first. And in PowerPoint, I can then update the associated Excel link by clicking on the refresh button or in the Excel link manager that you can find right here to apply the changes here as well. For charts with a very large number of data points, it is worth linking an Excel chart as an image to avoid long loading times in PowerPoint due to the large amount of data. I hope this video has helped you to understand how you can use image links for large line charts using Empower. Thanks for watching and goodbye.